only get one shot at life, so gotta live it.
We cannot believe how empowering it's been sharing our nomad journey on YouTube. We quit our jobs, started virtual work in school, and are finding our place in the world.
We stopped caring what people thought about us and started checking things off our bucket list. But there's still so much more we want to do.
We had a cruel reminder that you only get one shot at life, and that is not the life we want to live.
To live out loud means leaning in so far that you risk falling, collecting memories and letting go of old expectations, raising our kids with open hearts and open minds.
What would happen if you followed your dreams without a safety net? We don't know either, but we're gonna find out. 50 states in 50 weeks. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe we just did that.
Yeah, you jumped, you lived, here we are.
I'm alive.